Let us learn English of standard 3rd, and name of the poem is A Book Speaks. Yes, dear children, this is a book. Now it is going to talk with you. Are you ready to listen? Yes, this is your friend, isn't it? Okay, now we will try to listen to its saying. Okay, see, dear children, this is page number 66 of your English Balabharati textbook. This is our poem, A Book Speaks. This is unit 4, 30th poem. Okay, now this poem has, see here, so many lines. How many lines? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This poem has 12 lines and two lines together. Isn't it? Very simple poem. If you want to learn this, you can buy this. Okay? Now here in this poem, the book is going to speak with us. Dear children, first we will read this poem. Okay? When you drop me on the floor, slowly I will read. When you drop me on the floor, I get stepped on, my sides are sore. Torn out pages make me groan. I feel dizzy if I am thrown. Every mark and every stain on my covers gives me pain. Please don't bend me. If you do, I don't want to talk to you. But we will both be friends together if you protect me from the weather and keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat, and happy book. Yes, very simple poem. Once again, we will go through. Okay, when you drop me on the floor, I get stepped on, my sides are sore. Torn out pages make me groan. I feel dizzy if I am thrown. Every mark and every stain on my covers gives me pain. Please don't bend me. If you do, I don't want to talk to you. But we will both be friends together if you protect me from the weather and keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat, and happy book. Yes, dear children, we will go through this poem line wise. This poem has some hard words or new words. We will go through the meaning of these words too. Okay? The book, A Book Speaks. Here you can see the picture. A book is ready to speak with the mic. Right? It is very happy because it is going to share its feelings along with you people. When you drop me on the floor means here when you drop me down. Okay, what happens? I get stepped on, my sides are sore. Yes, I feel bad because you all step on me. Because of that my sides are sore. See here, you can see the pictures. See the torn pages, the sore book. It get hurts because you step on me, isn't it? The other students they step on this book, so it get hurts. Here, what is the meaning of sore? Yes, we will go through that. Before that, here you can see this floor. That word rhymes with sore. Isn't it? Floor, sore. Okay? The meaning of sore is, see this. If a body part is sore, it hurts when you touch it. Or we can say physically painful or sensitive. Okay? The next lines. Torn out pages make me groan. See here, torn out page. It makes me groan means, a groan means here make a sound that shows pain, unhappy. It becomes unhappy or when you tear the page. I feel dizzy if I am thrown. When you throw me here and there, I feel dizzy. Dizzy means chakkar आने का. Okay, here torn out pages, फटे हुए पेज. पेज फाड़ते हैं इजीली भी, पेज फाड़ते रहते हैं. कुछ भी चाहिए, चलो पेज फाड़ दिया. बुक को कैसा लगता होगा? यस, आपके हाथ पैर उंगली तोड़ दिया तो चलेगा? नो ना, लाइक दैट. पेजेस मीन्स द बॉडी ऑफ दिस बुक. उसको भी हम लोगों ने हर्ट करना नहीं है. ओके, इसको भी बुरा लगता है, वो भी रोता है. ग्रोन मीन्स अनहैप्पी होके वो रोता है. ओके, आई फील डिजी इफ आई एम थ्रोन. व्हाट हैपन्स? मुझे चक्कर आती है. आई फील डिजी. डिजी मीन्स चक्कर आना, बैलेंस जाना. ओके, गॉट दिस? It is requesting. The book is requesting you not to tear the pages, not to throw me here and there. Okay? Here also we can see the rhyming pairs grown, thrown. See this, grown, thrown. Got this? Here you can see dizziness. The meaning of groan is make a sound that shows pain, unhappiness. अनहैप्पी होके आवाज निकाल के रोते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं ग्रोन. यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर, दिस गर्ल इज ग्रोनिंग. ओके, द नेक्स्ट इज डिजी. डिजी मीन्स हैविंग और इन्वॉल्विंग अ सेंसेशन ऑफ स्पिनिंग अराउंड एंड लूजिंग वंस बैलेंस. सी दिस, जेरी. उसको चक्कर आ रही है, राइट? दिस इज कॉल्ड डिजीनेस और फीलिंग डिजी. We will move to next line. Every mark and every stain. See this, on my covers give me pain. Yes, dear children, here every mark, we use any pen, marker, anything, and we write on the book, isn't it? Not to do that. And every stain, see here, this is a stain of coffee, chocolate. Can you see here? This, every mark and every stain on my covers gives me pain. It gives me pain. मुझे बहुत दर्द होता है जब भी आप मेरे ऊपर कौन सा भी पेन लेके लिखते हो और एनी स्टेन, कॉफी, चाय, चॉकलेट, सांबार, कुछ भी स्टेन डालते हो, देन आई फील वेरी सैड एंड आई फील very unhappy, and that gives me too much pain. I cry at that time. Yes? Are you understanding what the book is trying to tell? Yes? Okay. Here also we can see the rhyming pairs stain, pain. Next. Please don't bend me. If you do, I don't want to talk to you. Yes, again it said that These are my body parts, that is cover, pages, isn't it? So please don't bend me. If you do that, then what I will do? I won't talk to you. I don't want to talk to you. See, so please don't fold the book. Don't bend the book. Got this? But we will both be friends together. See here, the children and the books. You can see this here. Children and the books are friends, correct? But we will both be friends together if you protect me from the weather. If you keep me properly and if you protect me from the weather. Weather means here rainy season, winter season, isn't it? During the rainy season, what happens? The moist destroys the book, isn't it? The pages of the books are destroyed by the moist or water part in the weather. So the books tells you that please protect me from the rainy season, from the winter season. Got this? Then only we will become friends. Here also we can see the rhyming pairs together, weather. Okay? Got this? Yes. The book tells you we will become friends if you protect me from the weather. Next lines are and keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat and happy book. See dear children, here also you can see look, book. Here, keep me clean. Yes, cover me. Don't mark on me. Don't put stain on me. Don't bend me and protect me from the weather and keep me clean so that I will also become a tidy, neat and happy book. I also want to live happily. Now, dear children, I hope you understood about the feelings of the book. Okay? Now list the things that make a book unhappy. Here what we will write. Example is given, dropping the book on the floor. It makes it unhappy. Dropping the book on the floor makes the book unhappy, isn't it? Second, we will write here, tearing out pages from the book. Yes, pages are nothing but the body parts of the book. Tearing out pages, it hurts the book. It makes the book unhappy. Putting marks and stains on the book. Isn't it? Because of this also the book becomes very sad. Bending the book. Yes, bending or folding the book pains the book. So it becomes unhappy. Right? Next thing is, what do we have to do to make friends with a book? Yes, you know the feelings of the book now, right? And if you want to become the friend of the book, what you have to do? Okay, we will list down. To make friendship with the book, we must protect it from the weather, right? From the rainy season and from the winter season, we have to protect the book by covering it and by keeping it in proper place, isn't it? Second is we must also keep it clean so that it will remain tidy, neat and happy. Then our book becomes our friend, isn't it? Next, read the following and decide what the book will like or dislike. Yes, here some statements are given in the textbook. We have to classify them as likes and dislikes of the book. We have to think from the side of the book. Okay? Assume that you are a book. If you like, we will put right mark. If we don't like, then we will put cross mark. Okay. First one, folding corners of pages. Now we are book. You are a book now. Come on, tell me. Folding corners of pages. You like or dislike? You dislike, isn't it? So we will put cross. Second, using a bookmark. Yes, I like. Right? I am a book. I like this. Third, wetting your fingers with spittle when you turn the pages. थूक लगा के टर्न करना पेजेस. ना ये I don't like. Correct? I am a book. I don't like this. Fourth one, putting an open book face downwards. उल्टा रखना, book को उल्टा रखना. Yes, I don't like this because I am a book. Right? We will move to next. Pick out the rhyming pairs of words from the poem. We know that floor, soar in the first stanza. Second stanza, grown, thrown. Third, stain, pain. Yes, in fourth it is not there. Directly to the fifth stanza, that is together, weather. Last, look, book. Correct? Now here the children and the books, they became friends. Come on, let's become friends. The book is telling to you. Are you going to become a good friend of this book? You only decide because you have gone through the feelings of the book, isn't it? Now you have to decide whether you are going to become the good friend of that book or not. Yes, here the book helps us to get the more things. It helps us to get the more knowledge. The more you read, the more things you know. You can see in this picture the boy is reading more, isn't it? So he's getting more and more knowledge. List different types of books. Yes, dear children, you know there are different types of books we get in the market, right? We will list them. Textbooks, they are with you. Story books, you get in library, isn't it? Comic books, that also we get in library, in the market, right? Picture books, different pictures and labelings we can see in this picture. Drawing books, we get the drawing books also. In that we can draw the drawings, we can draw the pictures, isn't it? In that we can draw the pictures. And the last one is coloring book. In that we can color the given pictures. There are some more books we get in the market. Try to add the names of books that you get in the market to this list. Okay. Now here you can see the different actions of the book. Try to understand. Yes. Go through each book. Go through each action on this screen. Here we can see the happy picture also, sad picture also. Isn't it? Surprising picture also. Right? What it is telling to you? I hope you understood my feelings. Thanks, friends. Okay? Please take care of your books and become a best friends with the books. Okay?